Rosie, I'm an archaeological scientist, and this is a day in my life. Before work, I was getting some research done for upcoming YouTube videos, and these will be some fun vlogs from Australia, but with an archaeology and history fact twist. And then I had an AGM with the Society for the Study of Childhood in the Past, for whom I am the social media and publicity officer, and it's a society covering all things children and childhood, from archaeology to ethnography, history, pediatrics, psychology, you name it. And it's no more than 35 quid to join, just saying. After the meeting, I had some amendments to make on an ethics application for some upcoming work with human skeletal remains from 7th century Yorkshire, which is really cool because that's where half my ancestors were from, though I have not managed to trace further back than the 1690s in Minton upon Swale, which apparently has a current population of only 152. Anyway, then I went to the office to finish a presentation on prehistoric gold work and the use of carved stone matrices in the production of gold beads, which I was giving the next day. This is my actual 9-to-5 job, by the way. I'm a research assistant on a project called Reverse Action at Cambridge Uni, and we're looking at how complex technologies such as metallurgy, textiles and ceramics were produced in stateless societies, with the main case study being Muisca, Colombia. Okay, now lunch and more ethics for my smallpox research. That's what I'm doing with human remains. This is just so important as I'm working with the bones of an actual person, so it's absolutely imperative that I make sure that I'm working to the highest ethical standards possible, including ensuring that I'm only doing analysis that is absolutely necessary for my research questions, that they're minimally destructive, and that my research questions are actually beneficial for the general advancement of science and knowledge. And then around 5, I went over to the Paleo Lab to actually lay out the individual so that I could actually inventory them and ensure that everything had arrived to Cambridge from Cranfield University as expected. And you'll notice that I'm completely blurring out the bones in this video, and that's because I don't agree with sharing images of human remains that aren't already publicly accessible, if at all, on social media, to be honest. But I do feel that sharing the work we do as archaeologists is very educational, especially for discussing things like ethical practice and for outreach purposes. And just as an extra precaution, following Babio's guidelines for photographing human remains on personal devices, I also do keep any pictures and videos I take of the skeletons that I'm analysing in a hidden folder, just in case someone takes my phone, for example. And that takes us to 6:30 PM and the end of my workday. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure you do check out all the other submissions to the tag session mortuary memes on the ArchaeoDeath website. Bye guys!